Hello, I'm Shahnaza Aurarilke, NPM 234111092. In this video, I will briefly explain about transfer pricing, one of the important topics in international accounting and taxation. Transfer pricing occurs when two companies in the same group make a transaction, for example selling goods or services, but at a price determined by themselves. For example, the multinational company Global Tech Inc. has two subsidiaries, one in Indonesia called PT Global Tech Indo, and another in Singapore called Global Tech SG. PT Global Tech Indo produces electronic components and sells them to Global Tech SG. In this transaction, she set a price of $50 per unit, even though the market price for the same product is $80 per unit. Because the price set is lower, the profit recorded in Indonesia is small, so the tax paid is also less. Meanwhile, the larger profit is recorded in Singapore, a country with a lower tax rate. His practice is called transfer pricing. Legally, transfer pricing is permitted as long as it meets the arm's length principle. This principle states that transactions between companies in a group must be carried out as if they were unrelated parties, at fair market prices. If the company cannot prove that the price set is fair, the tax authorities can consider it an attempt to avoid taxes and provide corrections and sanctions. Therefore, companies are required to create a complete and reasonable transfer pricing documentation. In conclusion, transfer pricing is not only about business efficiency, but is also closely related to compliance with tax regulations. Thank you for listening to this explanation, hopefully useful.